Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Lucidchart for diagrams. So open your workspace on the Lucidchart canvas, then click here shapes. So open up these shapes right here. Next, go to the more shapes and type entity relationship. So let's, or you can find them right here. So you don't need to type into search bar, you will find it right here. Then what you're going to do is click use selected shapes just like so, and it will be right over here. All right, now what we can do, we can import, or we can Salesforce import here. Otherwise we also can start building here these blocks of diagrams, as you can see here. So let me just zoom in a little bit to see. So as you can see like that, we can import also, as you can see, from SQL database. So multiple supported formats will be MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL, SQL Server. Tables automatically connects as your diagram. So when you import this database, you will see that these tables or will organize uh, as you can see right here. And yeah, when you import it, you will have everything organized automatically. So this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out a little bit. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the